Imagine this is you. You had something going for you, like things were actually working out. Maybe not perfect, but people respected you, people took you seriously, and your life felt like it was moving in a good direction. Then somehow everything just goes wrong. Not in a dramatic movie way, just things start falling apart and now you're in a completely different position. Not only is your life affected, but the way people see you has changed too. People who used to look up to you, they don't anymore. Some of them are quiet about it, some of them are not. And it's not even always direct. It's in the way they talk to you now, the way they look at you, the way your name comes up in conversations. You can feel it. And that's the part that gets to you. Because now it's not just about fixing your life, it's about fixing how people see you. When your social capital hits zero, the instinct is to panic, explain yourself to everyone, or hide away forever. But rebranding isn't about erasing the past. It's about making the present so compelling that the past becomes a footnote. Here are 5 ways to reclaim your narrative and rebuild your name. 1. Adopt a radiant silence. The biggest mistake people make when their reputation slips is over-explaining. If you are constantly defending your past, you are keeping that past alive. Stop talking about what happened. Stop trying to convince people you've changed. Silence creates a vacuum. When you stop providing updates or excuses, people eventually run out of things to gossip about. Let your lack of noise be the first sign that you are moving in a different direction. 2. Audit your visual and social verbs. Reputation is built on patterns, not promises. If you want a new brand, you need new verbs. If you are known for being unreliable, become the person who is 5 minutes early to everything. If you are known for being chaotic, adopt a minimalist, composed aesthetic and tone. What you want is to create a cognitive dissonance. You want people to think, wait, that doesn't track with what I heard about them. That confusion is the window where a new reputation is born. 3. Change your arena. Sometimes the soil is too poisoned for anything new to grow. If you're surrounded by people who are committed to seeing you as your old self, you may need to find a new room. Join new professional circles, hobby groups, or communities where you have no history. In a new environment, you aren't rebranding, you are simply being. This gives you the breathing room to practice your new identity without the weight of old expectations holding you back. 4. Solve a problem for someone else. A damaged reputation is often self-centered. People see you as a liability. You flip the script by becoming an asset. Find a way to be useful without asking for anything in return. Volunteer for the grunt work, offer a skill for free, or help a peer with a project. When you become the person who gets things done or showed up when it mattered, people's personal opinions of you begin to take a back seat to their professional respect for you. Competence is the fastest cure for a bad name. 5. Play the long game of consistency. A reputation is like a credit score. It takes years to build, seconds to break, and months of boring, perfect behavior to repair. Accept that you won't be forgiven or respected by Tuesday. Commit to a version of yourself that you can maintain for the next 2 years. People will test you. They will wait for you to slip back into your old ways. When you don't, not for a week, but for a year, their old perception of you will eventually feel outdated, even to them. You cannot talk your way out of a problem you behaved your way into. You have to behave your way out of it. It's a slow process, but there is a strange power in starting from zero. You get to choose exactly who you want to be this time. That's it for today's breakdown. Remember, the past is a closed chapter, and the focus is now entirely on the execution. I'll leave you to your progress. Until next time, stay focused, stay magnetic, and keep building.